After close to 11 months, India's COVID-19 cases have crossed a grim milestone of crore cases. India's COVID-19 cases crossed the 1 crore milestone after the country reported 25,153 new COVID-19 cases on December 18. India stands at number 2 in the world in the total number of COVID-19 cases, following the United States. The United States has reported over 1.78 crore COVID-19 cases and over 3,20,845 people have succumbed to COVID-19. It took 29 days for COVID-19 cases in India to increase from 9 million to 10 million. It is the slowest rise since the first million cases. Brazil is the third most affected country in the world with over 71 lakh COVID-19 cases, but both Brazil and the US have reported more COVID-19 cases and deaths than India during the past few days. India's COVID-19 deaths per million stand at 104. It is the second lowest among the top 20 worst affected countries in the world. India's COVID-19 death toll stands at 1.45 lakh. The number of COVID-19 deaths during the last 1 million cases were the slowest after the first million cases. The Health Ministry data shows that over 16 crore COVID-19 tests have been conducted in the country so far, and the positivity rate stands at 2.14%. Among the states, Maharashtra has reported the highest number of COVID-19 cases of 18.88 lakhs, followed by Karnataka with 9.07 lakh cases, Andhra Pradesh with 8.77 lakh cases, Tamil Nadu with 8.04 lakh cases, Kerala with 6.93 lakh cases, and Delhi with 6.14 lakh cases. In India, 6 vaccines are undergoing clinical trials, which include those developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. Covaxin is being developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR, Zydus Cadila, Genova, Oxford Vaccine, Sputnik V Vaccine, Biological E Limited in collaboration with MIT are developing vaccines. On Friday, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also said that India has enough capacity to produce COVID-19 vaccines to India and can export them to other countries. India's 3 vaccine makers, Pfizer, Bharat Biotech, and Serum Institute of India, have sought emergency approval from the drug controller. Pfizer vaccine is already being used for mass vaccination in the US, UK, Canada, and a few other countries. India is planning to vaccinate people with 600 million doses of vaccines to most vulnerable people during the next 6 to 8 months. The government has said that it could take more than a year to administer 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccines to all 1.35 billion people.